Hello, lovely people. Welcome back. Thank you all for stopping by. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. Today, we are making another refreshing ginger, cucumber, pineapple, lemon, and lime juice. This is a little bit spiced up, and you will love the recipe. This juice is here to cleanse your bodies and to boost your immune system. I hope you're all doing great, my loves. Let's get started. I've already washed all my ingredients. Before I peel off the skin of the pineapple, let me introduce you properly to the rest of the ingredients. I have ginger, cucumber, lemon, and lime. I've also got my brown sugar, pineapple extract or flavor, and with the spice ingredients, I've got my cardamom pods, the green one. I've got cloves, star anise seed, and I've got grain of psyllium and chili peppers. I've also got my 4 bottles of water, the small size, and of course my glass bowl to put the pineapple and the rest of the ingredients when I finish cutting them. Unlike the cucumber juice, in this video today we're going to make syrup with the pineapple skin. So we put that in the bowl, and also we cut the ends of both the lemon and lime and add it to the pineapple skin, okay? I'm adding 2 of the small size bottled water to my saucepan, and after that I'll add my brown sugar. Just use the sugar to your preference. You can as well use honey instead of the sugar, okay? It's all your choice. And yes, I'm adding my brown sugar now. I didn't use the honey, but you can use honey, okay? I'm adding my lemon and pineapple skin to the water. Then a little bit of salt to taste. Yes, and then this part is optional or is 2 ways. You can either choose to add it to the pineapple and lemon and mix the syrup together, or you wait and blend it with the pineapple, cucumber, and the rest of the ingredients together. Or you can add some to your syrup and then blend the rest with your other ingredients. I hope it's clear here. Wow, this smells so good already. And I love this, guys. So keep watching in order not to skip a step. Keep stirring as always to mix everything properly together. Let the sugar dissolve nicely and spread evenly. This smells so good. I love this. Guys, go nowhere. So now it's cool down, okay? It's time to just separate the skin from the syrup. Wow, this smells very beautiful. The aroma is amazing and the flavor, so on top. I love this. Guys, you cannot wait to try this. So keep watching. Refresh your body and then boost your immune system. So it's now time to blend our pineapple, cucumber, and the rest of the ingredients together, but we will use the syrup as our water, okay? This smells so good. As always, make sure to blend it until it's nice and smooth in order to extract more juice from the ingredients. I don't want to be blending over and over again. No, that's not me. So I make sure I do it once and for all. Okay. However, you can do it your own way. That's also acceptable. Guys, this is so aromatic. It's now time to add our spice, ingredients, or seasonings, which I mentioned earlier. And adding these spice, ingredients, or seasonings will just make the whole juice refreshing, a little bit spiced up, and it's going to bring more flavor and aroma to our juice. I love this combination, and if you try it, you will never regret it. Okay, so let's blend it nice and smooth like the first one, and then pour it in our glass bowl and continue from there. Please keep watching and go nowhere. Okay, so I've added the rest of the syrup to the first juice, and I'm going to just squeeze the juice from the lemon and lime and add it to our pineapple, cucumber, ginger, lemon, and lime juice. Okay, so let's squeeze all the juice out. This is so refreshing. I love the beautiful aroma and flavor already. I cannot have enough of this, guys. This is so good. Just try this and you love it. Okay? It's time to just boost your immune system with this amazing homemade juice and also cleanse your body. It's so, so good. If you are enjoying this video so far and it's helpful to you, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family and also to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay? And you will never ever regret it. I'm now adding the pineapple flavor or extract, and it's about a teaspoonful or half a teaspoon. So just use it to your own preference, okay? This is to help boost the flavor that we already have. And wow, I cannot wait to enjoy this. Go down my throat, guys. The aroma, everything is so on point, and I love the spice, flavor, and fragrance. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. But already I've enjoyed this drink, guy, and it was so good, and I couldn't have enough of it. So, yes, that is it. It was so, so good. And guys, with the pops, it's all up to you either to leave the pops in it or to just discard it. It's all by your choice, okay? You don't want the spice, ingredients, or seasonings to go waste, okay? So just grab them out one after the other and add it to your juice like I'm doing. Add it to your juice to keep on boosting your flavor and your aroma. Okay, let this juice be so heavenly. It is so heavenly indeed. We are all done and it's getting straight into the jug to be chilled. Oh, guys, this was so good. And as I said, I couldn't have enough of it. So I'm going ahead to make more juice for you this spring and summer. So stay tuned and be inspired. Please don't forget to share and like this video. Also comment, and if you are new, hey, as I said, click on the red button, click on the bell button as well to join this beautiful family. Thank you all for watching, and I appreciate your love and support. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy this amazing spice up juice, and bring me the feedback. Bye, you all. Stay blessed. Mwah. Kiss.